Good morning students, class 8 chapter number 9 exercise 9.4. In the previous video we have complete out question number 1 of exercise 9.4. Now we discuss question number 2. In the question number 2 we have to find out product of this binomial to this binomial. यानी कि हमें दो बाइनोमियल के बीच में मल्टीप्लाई करनी है एंड द क्वेश्चन कंटेन फोर्थ पार्ट. We have just note down two parts, part number 1 and part number 4. These part and remaining parts in homework. Now, in the first part, we have to multiply this binomial to binomial, and for the multiplication, we just multiply this term from this binomial. So, 5 into 3 plus x, and now second term of this binomial from with this binomial. इस टर्म की मल्टीप्लाई कंप्लीट बाइनोमियल से एंड दिस टर्म मल्टीप्लाई बाय दिस बाइनोमियल. नाउ ओपन द ब्रैकेट. 5 मल्टीप्लाई 3 प्लस 5 मल्टीप्लाई x माइनस 2x मल्टीप्लाई बाय 3 माइनस प्लस माइनस 2x मल्टीप्लाई बाय x. 15 plus 5x minus 6x minus 2x square. These two are like terms. So after operation we obtain that plus 5 and minus 6 minus 1. It's mean minus 1x minus 2x square. So final answer 15 plus minus 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 x minus 2x square. Now we use the same concept in this part. Multiply p square with this binomial, p square into 2p plus q, and minus q square multiply 2p plus q. Now open the bracket. p square multiply 2p, p square into 2p plus p square multiply q minus q square multiply 2p minus plus minus q square multiply q. 2p raised to the power 3, p square into p. When base are same, power must be added, plus p square into q minus 2p q square minus q raised to the power 3. Now observe that in this any terms are like terms, p cube, p square cube, p cube. Okay, there are no like terms, so it is the answer. So it is the product of these two binomials and it is the product of these two binomials. I sure question number 2 is clear. Just note down. Now we discuss question number 3. In the question number 3, we note down second part. A square plus 5 into b square plus 3 plus 5. So firstly multiply this binomial to this binomial. And for their multiplication, we multiply a square into b square plus 3 plus 5 into b square plus 3 plus 5. Now open the bracket. A square multiply b square, a square b square, a square multiply 3, 3a square, 5 multiply b square, 5b square, 5 multiply 3, 15 plus 5. And we observe that these two terms are like terms. So final answer a square b square plus 3a square plus 5b square plus 20. Now we have to try its fourth part. Fourth part, in the first bracket a plus b into, in the second bracket c minus d plus a minus b, the second bracket c plus d plus 2 in the bracket AC plus BD. Now simplify. Firstly multiply this binomial to this binomial. So multiply by A to C minus D plus B multiply C minus D plus A into C plus D minus B into C plus D, and here we open the bracket simply 2 into AC 2AC 2 into BD 2BD. Now open the bracket, multiply by A in both term AC minus AD BC minus BD AC plus AD minus BC minus plus minus minus BD plus 2AC plus 2BD. Now we study that in this expansion which terms are like terms. AC, AC and 2AC. These are like terms. AC plus 2AC. Like term, just note down near to each other. AD and okay, minus AD plus AD. BC, so plus BC minus BC, BD and 2BD, minus BD and plus 2BD. Count number terms 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Now calculate. AC plus AC. 2AC plus 2AC. It's mean 4AC. Minus AD and plus AD. Both are same numerical value but there are sign different. So cancel out. Similarly, these two terms also cancel out. Minus BD minus plus. It's mean minus 2BD and plus 2BD. These two terms also cancel out. So final answer is 4AC. So question number 3, fourth part is answer is plus 4AC. Now we discuss its seventh part. Question number 3, its seventh part. Seventh part, 1.5x minus 4y in a bracket into minus 4y. In the next bracket, minus 1.5x plus 4y and plus 3 minus 4.5x plus 12y. Check again. In the first bracket 1.5x minus 4y. In the second bracket 1.5x plus 4y plus 3 minus 4.5x plus 12y. Okay. Now we have to multiply binomial to trinomial. So firstly 1.5x into 1.5x plus 4y plus 3 minus 4y into 1.5x plus 4y plus 3 minus 4.5x plus 12y. Now open the bracket. 1.5x multiply 1.5x 1.5 multiply 1.5, 2.25 into x square. 1.5x plus 4y, 15 4 ja 60, it means 6xy. 1.5x multiply 3, it means 4.5x. Now open this bracket. Minus plus minus 6xy minus plus minus 16y square minus plus minus 12y and minus 4.5x plus 12y. Now we have to select like terms. Term which contain x square, okay, no term, only single term xy, and it is also xy. So 6xy minus 6xy. Term which contain x, these two terms. So 4.5x minus 4.5x. 16y square, term which contain y square, no term. And minus 12y plus 12y. Now calculate. These two terms are like and their numerical value also same and both have different signs, so cancel out. Similarly, these two terms also cancel out and these two terms also cancel out. So answer is 2.25x square minus 16y square. So I showed question number 3 also clear. So you have to complete question number 2 and question number 3 in homework. And if you have any problem in the any part, you can discuss with me. Thank you very much.